What's up, guys? I'm Ryan from Raiden Overland. If you have a GX470 and you're trying to get into overlanding, the first thing you're going to want to do is, go camping in it. Just like you guys, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, like sleep platforms, how to build it, what should I use, what mattress, what do people use. So I'm going to show you guys what I have, and I'll tell you how much it cost, and I'll drop the links on all the items that I bought. We got the platform. I measured it, I forgot what it was. If you're making it, I would just fold the seats up. So measure about 12 inches up and then see kind of where that is, and then measure it to about this point here. Next step I do is I drop the second row and scoot the front seats. All right, and we drop this one. So now we got the platform. If you did just two pieces, it would just hit the ceiling. So I split it right here. And I just added some hinges. Overall, I think I spent about
$70
and everything, like hardware, plywood, and the beams. From here, you can kind of tell it's pretty flat. For this mattress, I'm gonna put a link as well. And it folds into 3 pieces, just like my sleep platform. Mattress doesn't come with the cover, but I'll also link that right here. So you can tell it folds. It's really comfortable. It gets like both sides. The final step is just the sleeping bag. If you get one of these, it's really hard to put them away. So I'm gonna drop a video soon. And if it's already dropped, then just click the link right here. Just like that, rated for 0 degrees. And look, it reaches all the way to the back. And all I gotta do is just add my pillows, and that's it. All right, well, thank you for tuning in. Told you guys it was a short video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.